is now clear that corruption is a big problem in Uganda. The IGG estimates that the country loses Uganda shillings 9.7 trillion per year. Therefore, corruption should be crushed and will be crushed. The corruption we are facing now has got two dimensions. One dimension is the stealing of government money, taking bribes from the public to provide government services, misusing the procurement procedures to cheat the state, and corruptly handling personnel issues, e.g. nepotism, and selling government jobs. Now, this selling of jobs is really becoming very serious in the local governments, maybe in other areas. Now, I'm glad you are all here. Professionally, constitutionally, and logically, it is the following people that are in charge of government money, government procurement, and government personnel administration. Three people are in charge of these three areas: government money, procurement, and personnel. These are the permanent secretary in a ministry, a chief administrative officer in a district, a town clerk in a city or municipality, a Gombora chief in a sub-county, and the clerk of parliament in parliament. Now that the accounting officers have let themselves down, because the accounting officers, you have not let down anybody, you have let yourselves down. Because this is your mandate. The only mistake was by elements in the parliament who distorted our historical movement by paying themselves high salaries. This distorted our strategy of voluntarism instead of careerism and mercenarism. They have now realized their mistakes. However high you put the salary, it cannot run a constituency. Collective efforts are better. PDM, Myoga, free education in the government schools. I am paying for many children in the... Why do you have to pay for children in the constituency? Are you a donor or what? This country of yours has got a lot of money. I'm now convinced that you have a lot of money. First of all, there is under collection of taxes. There's a lot of under collection. I'm now getting a lot of information. So there is under collection, but also there is massive stealing of what is collected. Now you can imagine how much more we could do if we plug both. That's what the VP was saying. If we plug both the under collection and the stealing. Apart from the State House Anti-Corruption Unit, the one of Brigadier Isoke, I'm also setting up both a tax investigation unit and an accountancy and audit unit. They will be able to investigate all tax evasions, under declarations, money diverted by Parliament, and stolen, etc. It is the work of the police to ensure that those who steal from companies, private or government, are held fully accountable, including paying back the money they stole on top of prison sentences.